What's the one biggest secret of going viral on YouTube that no one is talking about? Well, 3 years ago I started a brand new YouTube channel which ended up getting over 150 million views and over 1 million subscribers in less than 6 months. But unfortunately it ended up being deleted later because of... well, we will cover it later. But at least it gained me this golden play button. And 1 year ago I started another brand new channel in a different niche which ended up getting over 14 million views and got over 51,000 subscribers in the first year. And some of the videos on the channel ended up getting over 2.6 million views and generated over $4,000. But the point I am making is that I was able to repeat the process over and over again and go viral on YouTube starting from zero with brand new channels. And all of that is because I understood these 4 important principles that no one is talking about. And this is exactly how to make the algorithm love you. The idea stage is the first and arguably the most important step in the process. And to come up with amazing YouTube video ideas, you need to first find channels in your niche that are performing well and gaining a lot of views. Then you need to go and subscribe to all of them. Then you simply open all of your competitors' channels, sort their videos by most popular, and see what ideas are performing the best and getting the most views on their channels. And the reason we are doing this is because we want to first understand what topics the audience wants to see the most, what they care about, what they are scared of, or what they are curious about, etc. The real question is here: what video ideas can you come up with to address the needs and the desires of your audience? And to do that, you just look at the videos that already worked well on other channels. You take that idea and add something little and unique to it. It can be something very simple. Like for this example, if you are in the football niche and you see that people like videos about Messi and his family and they are getting a lot of views, you can take the concept of that idea and make videos about Ronaldo and his family. You get the point. So the key here is just to take ideas that are already proven to work on YouTube, but don't just directly copy them. Take the concept and add your own little twist to it to make it unique. And it's actually very simple to do. But there is one catch though. If you have an amazing idea, but your titles and thumbnails simply suck, you will get 0 views. Because if no one clicks on your videos, no one is going to watch it. And when it comes to creating the best titles, here is the biggest secret. You need to attract people with what they want and give them what they need. For example, if I named this video "How to create better titles and thumbnails," I guarantee it would get less views. So you need to make your titles attractive based on your audience's desires. And then once you have their attention, then you can give them value and the things that they need, exactly as I'm doing in this video. And when it comes to creating amazing thumbnails, it's essential to make a thumbnail that lets anyone in your niche immediately understand what's going on. And you cannot rely too much on the title here, because most people look at the thumbnail first and only after that they look at the title. So when someone is looking at your thumbnail, they should be able to immediately understand in less than a second what your video is about and why is it interesting, or simply what are they going to get from the video. If you are not able to catch someone's attention in less than a second with your thumbnail, then you are going to lose them immediately. In short, your thumbnail should be simple, clear and intriguing, and to grab people's attention. And they should never be like these ones. Hopefully you get the point. And now the question is, if you have amazing titles and thumbnails, that is enough for the algorithm to love you and to push your videos, right? Wrong. Dead wrong. Once you have a great idea, an intriguing title, and a simple thumbnail that grabs people's attention, the next and the most important thing you need is the hook. Because even if people click on your videos, if you don't make them interested in the first seconds, they are not going to watch it. So the most important thing to make people stick and watch the video to the end is the hook, which is essentially the first 10 to 30 seconds of your video. And that's when you need to give people reasons why it's going to be worth it to watch the video, or simply what are they they going to get from watching your video to the end? You need to have a strong and direct hook that gives people strong enough reasons to stay and to watch your video. Let's have a look at an example. A terrible and boring hook can be something like this. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about how can you get more views on YouTube. And here's an example of a better hook. What's the one biggest secret of going viral on YouTube that no one is talking about? Well, 3 years ago I started a brand new YouTube channel which ended up getting over 150 million views in less than 6 months. I think you noticed that this one was a little bit better, right? So hopefully you got the idea. Make your hooks short, give people strong reasons why they should watch your videos to the end, and get straight to the point. But now, let's finally talk about the biggest secret to make the algorithm love you and to go viral on YouTube that the biggest YouTuber MrBeast himself is using every single day. Getting the YouTube algorithm to blow up your videos is actually very simple. And in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to share with you my biggest secret that helped me to get over 150 million views on YouTube. Stick with me so I can explain these principles in depth so you can really understand it and increase your views. And the biggest secret that you need to understand is that you shouldn't focus on the algorithm. Yes, you heard it right. You shouldn't focus on the algorithm to get views on YouTube. Instead of focusing on what the algorithm loves, you need to focus on what the audience wants and what the audience loves. Because the hard part isn't breaking the algorithm. The hard part is making people click and enjoy your videos and doing it better than everyone else in your competition. So instead of thinking, how can I break the algorithm? You need to simply start asking yourself, how can you make better and more interesting videos for the people and for your audience? If you simply ask yourself that question and you start working on that every single day, I promise you will get more views on YouTube. And the algorithm will love you. Because all the algorithm simply does is finding videos that the people and the audience enjoys and loves the most and just showing it to more people. So if you just focus on creating best videos for your audience and caring about that the most, everything else will fall into its place. That's the biggest secret that helped me to get over 2 million subscribers in the past few years and get over 150 million views. And it also made me hundreds of thousands of dollars just from the YouTube ad revenue alone. So do not underestimate this principle. While others are chasing shortcuts and tips on how to break the algorithm, and you focus on making the best videos and you focus on improving your videos and making them more interesting, I guarantee that you will beat all of these people. And here's how it works, explained by the largest YouTuber on the planet, MrBeast, who has over 200 million subscribers.
Match the expectations, and then you want to exceed them. So you want to assure people that what they clicked on is what they're getting, and then blow their mind and be like, but you're also getting even more. Anytime you say the word algorithm, just replace it with audience. The algorithm didn't like that video? No, the audience didn't like that video.
So that's how you make the algorithm love you and how you go viral on YouTube. And if you are curious to know how I use this principle to turn $4 into $500,000 through YouTube at the age of 21, then you can click here and watch this video where I tell my whole unfiltered story. I'm sure you can learn a lot from it, so make sure to check it out. And I will see you there.